Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we will continue in our new method book on the clarinet with line 17, Down by the Station. So we are using the same three notes that we've been using for our past few videos. C, thumb 1, 2, 3, D, thumb 1 and 2, and E, just thumb and 1. So let's go at the beginning and see what we have. We always start with the treble clef. That's what the clarinet reads. And then our time signature is 4/4 time. So the top number tells us we have 4 beats in every measure, and the bottom number tells us the value of the whole note. So we always have to figure out what our half notes and our quarter notes will get. So if our whole note gets 4 beats, half of a whole note is a half note, and half of 4 is 2. So our half notes get 2 beats, and then half of a half note is a quarter note, half of 2 is 1, so our quarter notes get 1 beat each. So let's go at the very beginning. Our first note is a ledger line C, so thumb, 1, 2, 3, and we hold it for 2 beats. And then we have another C for a quarter note, so that's 1 beat. Then we lift a finger for the D. In the next measure, we lift a finger again, and we play 2 half note E's, and those are on line 1. Then we put a finger back down in the next measure to play a D, C, D, E. And for measure 4, we put the next 2 fingers down at the same time to play 2 half note C's. Well, now hopefully you've noticed that the second line is very similar to the first. So measure 5 has the same notes and rhythms as measure 1. Measure 6 has the same notes and rhythms as measure 2. Measure 7 has the same notes and rhythms as measure 3. The only difference is in measures 8 and 4. Measure 4 is 2 half note C's. Measure 8 is 1 whole note C. And that's the only difference between the two. We're going to start at the beginning. And I'm going to adjust the camera so you can see my fingers a little bit better. And we are going to play each note starting with a t sound. So the air keeps going, the tongue just interrupts. So let's try it. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. So since there are no rests, you're going to need to breathe as necessary, but let's strive for at least 2 or 4 measure phrases. So you take in a big breath and you go as long as you can. And when it is time to breathe, don't take the clarinet out of your mouth, but instead you're going to breathe out of the corners of your mouth, never through your nose. And then you continue playing. So I hope you find this helpful, and we'll see you next time.